Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Elsutra's kitchen. My ladies, today we're in the kitchen and we're making barbecue chicken wings. And I'm looking forward to making these wings with you guys to show you how you can achieve this red color. Usually, barbecue chicken are kind of dark color, so I usually like to make mine look really yummier. So let's get into this recipe. So I show you step by step how I am able to achieve this and everything that I add into my chicken. Okay, so to start this recipe, I began by spicing my wings by adding some salt and spraying some vinegar water on it. After my wings were already cleaned, so I just spray some vinegar on them, just you never know what is left there that you are not able to clean up. So starting in with my ingredients, I have my barbecue sauce, about half a cup of barbecue sauce is going to be enough for the amount of the quantity of the chicken that I have. I also have some hot sauce here. So for the meantime, I will just be listing all the rest of the powder ingredient that I'm going to be adding. And this is going to be ginger garlic paste, and then I will list them off all the dry ingredients I added into this. So as we mix everything together, we are going to be adding the next ingredient to be a red food coloring. So I'm just don't need to measure this. I'm just going to add a little bit of it, even though I even think I added much. But anyway, it's still fine depending on how much you want to add. It's going to give us more color, and the chicken wings are going to look deliciously and beautiful. So let's continue into the recipe. So as you can see, we have achieved a perfect red color. I'm just going to be saving about maybe 2 tablespoons of the sauce, so that after the grilling or the baking, we can add more of the sauce onto the chicken wings if we desire to. Or maybe you can just keep it on the side of the table to dip in the chicken wings more into it, so in order for you to serve it. Okay, let's combine everything together so that our chicken wings are all incorporated with our ingredients. And now I added some vegetable oils so that we can have some grease on the chicken. So this is everything prepped for the marination, and I just covered my wings. I'm going to be putting it into the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours, or if you can put it overnight, so you can have the most juiciest wings ever. For mine, I think I was in a hurry, so it was in the fridge for about 3 hours. So at this moment, I decided to do 2 parts of this. Instead of baking it in the oven, I'm going to bake some in the air fryer, as well as on my indoor countertop griller. So you're going to be seeing both 2 methods on how it come out. Keep watching. So my ladies, this is my indoor griller. I added water at the bottom because that is how you use it if you don't want it to be smoking the house. So I am also going to be using this grill mat that I got from Amazon. I'm going to be using it to protect my griller so it won't be too messy, and at the end of the day I have to do cleaning, which I don't like much. So I am just spraying some oil and I'm going to be putting on all my chicken wings to remaining on the griller so that I can grill them. So our wings are done and I actually feel like I overcooked them. So because I was overtaxing at the time, the kids were just all over me and I was going on and off in the kitchen. So it kind of a little bit burnt, but it's still fine. We still have the juicy chicken that we're looking for. The color of the blackness, it won't matter, it won't change the flavor. Actually, it will just add to it because it's going to taste more smokier a little bit, kind of, which I like a lot. So, but the one in the air fryer, I actually forgot it and I put the timing to be a little bit higher than what I was supposed to. So I burned that once, but I'm going to show you how it came out to be. Even though it is still burnt, I'm still going to share with you so that you know. even even us that cook maybe most of the time and we try to perfect the thing, we also burn the food most of the time or some of the time. Yeah, I love multitasking, but for some reason, sometimes it's not funny, especially with the kiddos. So look at that. Look at the difference of the color from the griller and from the air fryer. I definitely want that once. So anyway, I think I did not turn on the camera to show you where I added the rest of the sauce into the wings. But as you can see from the side of the plate of the bowl, that I have some of the sauce around it. So I just sprinkled, what am I saying? I sprinkled a little bit of coriander to garnish the chicken, and this is the burnt chicken from the air fryer, and this is the one we did on the griller. I think it came out better than the air fryer chicken. So what do you guys think? I think we just got a perfect movie snack. Movie time snack. My husband loves wings. He loves wings so much. So each time I am making wings, it's like, oh my gosh, yes, that is the favorite part of the cooking. So guys, this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you liked watching what I showed you. So please subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed, and if you've been part of the family, thank you for always clicking to watch. Thank you for appreciating. Thank you for commenting down below. I love reading your comments. And this is my dinner plate, guys. Look at that. And I paired this with some jollof rice. It was so yummy. Please let me know in the comment section if you will try this recipe, if you will make it as how I made it. And thank you so much for coming over again. I will see you next in the next video. Bye for now.